All right, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to reference this particular document which I've created. Now, this document is super important. This is the entire brain, the entire psychology of how it's going to work it out. And that's exactly what you need to have in order to make sure that this is going to work out for you as well. In order to get it, just write super agent in the comments and I'm going to give it to you for absolutely free. Or you could also go inside my community section here and go into classroom, and here also you'll be able to get these prompts here, right? So that's also one option. All right, now super agent comes under AI agent. All right, so in this super agent you'll have something called as agent studio, and inside agent studio you basically have these called as super agents. Now there's a very new term that come into the picture of high level. As per high level, this is going to be the future, and then we are going to see this improve over time. As of now, as you can see, super agents are prompt based agents, which basically means that this entire prompt is what it needs in order to function properly. Nothing else, no connection, no triggers, no automation, no follow ups, no email sequences, nothing literally you need to use manually. Everything is going to be based on prompts, and give them a prompt, knowledge, web search, integrations, and run them in chat or on triggers, which basically means that either you could have a chat with this agent, or you could create automations, workflows in a way within the agent that agent will create for you, that whenever a trigger is added to any kind of, for example, lead, contact, opportunity, right, then the entire automation flow is continuously going to work. That's the two ways that you can interact and initiate with this super agent, right? I already created one, but this is going to be special because this is going to be our AI sales follow-up system, right? So you might know that we have been creating a lot of automation tutorials, courses, training programs, and everything, and we constantly share that inside our high level community, which is a free high level community. And of course, those who join our premium high level lab community, they get exclusive access to a lot of resources, 10x of what they normally get. But this is super important because here we are going to show you how exactly this works, right? So this prompt creates an AI sales follow-up agent that automatically follows up with interested leads who haven't booked yet. For example, you got a lead created inside your account, probably through your Facebook ads, Google ads, or probably a form submitted, a survey, anything. It could be literally anything. A new contact got created from any trigger, and then it understands the replies, handles basic topics like pricing, timing, and pushes qualified leads towards booking and hands off to a human when needed. So, how exactly this thing works? The trigger here is super important because, as you know, it runs with a chat or on triggers, any of these. So, since this is an external facing system, which basically means that this is going to interact with an external system, external entity like a contact, which was created outside it, and we are going to follow up with probably SMS, email, stuff like that. So in order to it, it is going to have these triggers. So here we are what you're going to do is you're going to use this as a cleanest starting point. Trigger here going to be contact tag added, right? And this is going to be AI sales follow up. The moment this contact tag gets added, this super agent is going to initiate its entire flow. That's how simple it is, right? Now, what are the best ways to add the trigger? There are a few ways that you can do it, and I'll show it to you. First is going to be you use other workflows to add the tag. There's a basic workflow that you can create, which the tag is going to be AI sales follow up, right? And when a lead gets stuck, example, the form submitted but no appointment booked after 1 hour, right? In that case, you can add a tag called as AI sales follow-up. Booking link sent but no appointment booked for after 24 hours. In that case, you could also add this particular tag. Your objective is that you need to add a tag to that particular contact for this entire super agent to function, to initiate function, follow up, and close the person to an appointment, right? For example, here opportunity move to follow up needed, right? And then the moment you move that opportunity to that particular stage, a tag gets added. These are all manual automation that you need to create. And the moment the tag gets added, everything else is taken care of by the super agent. You do not have to do literally anything, right? So this is the complete AI prompt. And of course, this is based on a dummy business that I've had. For example, here, Epic's Roofing Pros, right? And it has also detail, for example, business name, business type, location, service area, main service, primary offer, booking links, business phone number, business email, working hours, stuff like that, right? So of course you need to change it, but you can use this for your own stuff as well. You can just run it through ChatGPT, the advanced version or Claude, and then you can just ask it to change as per your business requirement or your custom business requirement. This is going to be a long prompt, so make sure you copy the entire thing here. So copy the entire thing, exactly as we have it. So it's almost around 19 pages, right? So we're going to copy this entire thing here. Let me quickly do that. And by the way, this has every possible scenarios, so you could go through it, and one can go through it and have any kind of discussions. But of course, the opportunity here is going to be to schedule a call. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to click on create an agent. Now, this is the new interface that HighLevel has developed for it Agent Studio, which is called as Super Agents. And here you can build your own agent. Of course, we have some use cases here, which is it could create act as a knowledge base with which you can prompt, because it has two ways you could chat with it, right? So if there's an existing knowledge base, you can chat with it and get the info, or you could have a trigger. Community moderator, email campaigns. Community moderator could be as simple as having a trigger of community, right? Email campaigns, social media posting, all of that stuff. So what I'm going to do is we're going to simply copy and paste the entire thing. Of course, as I said, whenever you're trying to do it, make sure you change these details before you proceed out and make these changes. This is still in beta, probably got released just 5 to 6 days ago. And there's a lot of bugs in it. But guess what? We're trying to test it out and make sure that we make the best super agents possible for it to deploy inside HighLevel, so that people like you who are viewing it for your own business can actually maximize it as it grows with the HighLevel, putting a lot of time and effort and growing it to a great level. All right. So I've already added it here now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on enter here, and I'm going to now let AI super agent build stuff. As you can see, it says building your agent, and here on the right hand side, it is already working out, right? So it's going to have its agent name, it's going to have a trigger, a skill, capabilities, knowledge base, and instruction. So no matter what you're giving out, a high-level super agent is going to write its own instruction to feed inside its own AI in order to make sure that AI agent works. But if you can give a good detailed prompt, it becomes easier and more specific as to what the agent needs to do, so that the instruction that it provides to its AI is more clearer, so that it doesn't have any kind of errors, right? So as you can see, it's quite a lot. It's following up. It has different paths, different opportunities, different options, and it's already doing its great job, right? So as you can see, it says here on the bottom left hand side, build Epic's workflow and SMS first sales follow up agent for Epic's Roofing Pros. It handles roofing, lead re-engagement, objection handling, booking guidance, emergency escalation, human handoff, and CRM ready summaries using the default CRM plug. Perfect. Now, the only thing I need to do here is I probably need to test here. So possibly I can select a contact here, follow up with interested roofing leads. So let's say, you know, I select something like YouTube channel, right? And then I press enter. Let's see what exactly it does. So it's a test fire. So it's going to retrieve the entire thing, and then it's going to, generate the responses and follow-ups and everything. So it's discovering get contact by ID. So it's searching the everything here. So now let me fetch the contact details and look for conversational appointments simultaneously. So now it's checking as the history of the contact and see what we can do here. It already got the contact information here, right? So it's now send SMS. So it's going to send the SMS, create opportunity search list, opportunity discovering opportunity gets sent a message. It searches the opportunity. I have everything I need. Now I need to send SMS and search for any opportunity simultaneously, right? This is exactly what it's doing. Okay. It also created a node contact, which is great. I'm still working on it. So it's basically making sure that everything is getting added inside it, right? Contact, create node. So it's getting all the nodes added. So that's nice. So it already completed all three actions. Let me quickly see what exactly it did. Right. All right. It did quite a few things here, right? I'm just going to wait here to understand exactly what it did. So all three actions completed successfully. Here's a full execution summary. AI sales follow up execution summary, right? So the name, phone number, email ID, service, commercial roofing for custom, lead source, due to form submission, open 0,000, appointments done, prior notes none, right? It added the context. So since this was an AI follow-up trigger or no prior conversation, no appointments, interest commercial, the service interest follow-up pattern was applied. So SMS was sent. Again, it's testing environment, so it's probably not sent it in real message. Here with them just checking in where you're still looking to get help with commercial roofing, right? Internal CRM node created, right? Success, a full internal summary was created. And again, lead field lead temperature is warm, follow-up count 1 to 4, main objection unknown, waiting reply. Perfect. Now let me quickly check whether it was able to actually do it, because it's a test environment. I won't really ask it to do it, but probably I am going to test it out if in the real way. So I'm going to just unpublish, stay here. Let me quickly close this out and publish this one. This is exactly how you could publish this. And let me see what exactly we're able to get here. Let me quickly go to agents here. And let me quickly go to contacts here real quick. Just wait for it. And I'll just search the particular contact and see what exactly I'm able to get. If this is the contact I'm able to get here. And let me see if I got any responses. Possibly not, but still. No, it actually did send. Even though I was testing it out, but it actually did send. Oh, this is great. Hey Pritam, just checking in. Were you still looking to get help with commercial roofing? Of course, it didn't went through because we do not have a phone number in this particular account, but it works, ladies and gentlemen. It can send SMS if you have your phone number attached. It can send your email. It will anyway send your email with the default domain, but if you have a dedicated domain, that's much better. Now that works really, really well. Apart from it, what we're going to do is we're going to go back here to the contact details here. Now, again, this works. It's just basically as simple as that. I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to go to Agent Studio, and then I'm going to go to FX Follow-up. Now, this is basically a published agent. Earlier one was a test environment, but this is a published agent, right? For example, here, if you go to agents, you will be able to see the agents which are available here, right? For example, this roofing lead agent, this is in draft. However, the Apex follow-up is published, right? And here, as you can see, this is made on chat mode, right? Actions here, you can make any changes, edit, move to a folder, delete it, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Apex follow-up here, and here you will be able to see this published agent. So what I'm going to do here, even though it already works, we only have to do is we only have to add a tag. So let me show you to you exactly how that works. So if I go on the top, there are multiple ways of you adding a tag here. So for example, AI sales follow-up. This is the only tag you could create these kind of automation. But let me quickly add a tag to any of these contacts and see as to how exactly this is going to work out. Right? It's going to be pretty simple, easy, neat and clean, easy to understand. Let me quickly do that. Okay, we have John Bob. All right. So if John Bob, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to tags here. This is a manual way of adding it, but it's already going to work out. So I'm going to click on add a tag here, and then I'm going to add this particular tag, create AI sales follow-up. Perfect. Now, as you can see, this says AI sales follow-up tag, and then I'm going to click on apply. The moment I apply it, what it should be doing is it should be sending the SMS automatically, right? That's basically what it should be doing. So we're just going to wait for a few seconds and see how exactly this works. But in real life, I think it's probably going to wait for 5 minutes, but that's exactly how this entire thing is going to follow up. All right, as you can see here, the agent was able to reply. Of course, it was trying to send an email, but it failed because there's no email added to it. But as you can see, it says, "Hey John, just again, we're still looking to get help with your roof," right? And it added the booking link, it added the phone number and everything automatically. Now this happens when the AI agent is constantly working on it. And I was just going through this and I quickly want to show it to you. If I click on AI agent here, if I click on agent studio, and if I click on agent follow-up here, you will be able to see that a tag gets added, AI says follow-up trigger, and action is completed. If I click on that, you will be able to see that it is constantly running it. As you can see, it has the history here, that the lead name, email, phone number, right? And it followed up the path selected, price option, first follow up, right? And it was able to add all of these details inside it. So it doesn't have a phone number on file, so it was not able to send an SMS, but that's the reason why it sent an email. Very, very creative. Now, that's exactly how this entire thing works, and it's going to continue to follow, initiate, and respond to this particular lead in order to book a call. That's the main objective. It has even shared a link. Of course, this doesn't work probably, but yeah, the link is there. If you give it the right link, of course, it's going to do the job. That's exactly how you create these kind of follow-up agents to ensure that you get the AI to do the entire hard work for you so that you do not have to spend your time and effort in doing it. I hope you like this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you want to get the resources inside, it's available inside the community. So just type super agent and I'm going to give access to you inside my communities so that you can make the most of it. Thank you so much for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you create a super agent inside HighLevel that helps you automate your entire follow-up so that you can save your time and money while the AI works 24/7 in order to book appointments inside your calendars 24/7 automatically. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this particular agent. I'm going to show you the exclusive prompt that I used so that you can also have it. The only thing you have to do is comment super agent and the community link will be provided to you. I will also show it to you how exactly I made sure that this agent is published and how it is able to identify the leads which has emails and send email follow-ups. And for those who also have the phone number, we're able to send SMS follow-ups in order to make sure that they can schedule a call with us and book their appointment. That's exactly the entire process of step-by-step guidance that you are going to discover. So make sure you watch the video till the end.